Manual data entry is slow, frustrating, and prone to error. When you're staring down a mountain of unsorted bank statements and receipts, just organizing the raw information can consume hours of your time. Thrive Financial's document parser solves this problem by turning static PDFs into a clean, searchable database automatically. Before we begin, make sure your Thrive case is open. We recommend using advanced mode, and that your financial PDFs are saved locally on your device. On the left-hand menu, select Document Parser. Then click the plus Add Documents button to open the staging area. From here, simply drag and drop your local files directly into the window. Look at the center window. Your files, like the Apple Card and Discover Card PDFs, are now in the queue. To keep the system running smoothly, stick to strict limits. Upload no more than 15 documents per session, keeping total size under 15 megabytes. Batching your uploads properly right now ensures a continuous, error-free AI analysis without overloading your browser's local memory. Raw files are useless without context. You must categorize your documents accurately before the AI can understand them. Click the first drop-down menu on each staged file to select the specific document type, such as bank, affidavit, or tax return. Next, move to the Select Owner drop-down to assign the document to a specific spouse or joint account. If a document belongs to a company, apply the specific business tag. This prevents the system from confusing company revenue with personal cash flow. Once your labels are set, click Parse New Documents at the bottom of the screen to start the engine. Behind the scenes, the AI reads the raw text, extracts values, standardizes the dates, and assigns categories to individual transactions. During this process, the system calculates a SHA-256 hash, a digital fingerprint of your original file, preserving a strict chain of custody. Taking 10 seconds to properly label your files allows the system to accurately segment the data for your forensic investigation. With the parse complete, you must review the inventory to see exactly what the system processed. Open the Document Manager tab to see the catalog of your saved files, including reference names, source types, and the transaction counts for each document. To review the raw line items, click over to the Bank Transactions tab. Methodically, these summary cards display the extracted cash flow, clearly separating green inflows from red outflows. Scan the data rows below. Look at the category column to see how the AI normalized individual items into standard groups, like utility bill or general merchandise. Use the filter bar above the table to narrow your view. You can isolate specific years or select spousal accounts to target exactly what you need. Do not rely on blind trust. Always cross-check large or unusual transactions against the original source PDF to confirm the AI's accuracy. The AI handles the heavy lifting of data entry, but your manual verification is the final step required to make the evidence defensible in court. Your data is now parsed, categorized, and verified. You have a clean set of facts ready for your case strategy. To use this information outside of the application, click the Export Excel button in the top right corner of the Bank Transactions tab. This generates a spreadsheet perfectly formatted to share with external legal teams or drop into your existing financial models. If you choose to keep the workflow inside the application, the parsed data automatically populates Thrive's internal dashboard and asset tracer modules. Your parsed database remains secure inside your local browser's case file. It is not hosted on a public cloud server. Before you begin a deep forensic review, go to Settings, then Account Configuration, to merge any duplicate bank names. Converting static paper into a searchable, secure database gives you the exact foundation you need for an efficient and rigorous financial investigation.